Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to create drafting views. So these are just like two-dimensional drawings in Revit. So I'm going to start a new project. So all these drafting views are drawn in the same project. You just create a new drafting view for each symbol that you're drawing. So let's take a look at what templates we can use. So I'm going to go to, let's do the Imperial Architectural template. Yeah, let's do this one. I don't think the book specifies which one to use. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to follow along what the book says. It says save the project as EX4-1. So I'm going to file, save as project. I'm going to call it EX4-1. Save that. And then it says create a new drafting view named bookcase from the view tab. So I'm gonna go up to the view tab. I'm gonna look for drafting view, which is here in the create panel. I'm gonna name this bookcase. Hit OK here. And then let's see what it says. Set the line thickness to medium lines. So I'm gonna go, so first I want to go up to annotate. I'm gonna go to detail line. And here I want to go to where it says line style. I'm gonna go to medium lines. And then it says draw a rectangle per the dimension shown above, generally in the center of the drawing window. So this rectangle, this bookcase is 1 foot by 3 feet. 1 foot by 3 foot. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna click the rectangle here. I'm just gonna kind of, so that's gonna be 1 foot this way, 3 feet over here. There we go. Click it. There's our bookcase. Yep, so that's all there is for that one. So that's our bookcase, right? Then I'm going to go up to view again. I'm going to create another drafting view. And this one is going to be the coffee table. Coffee table. Hit OK there. Notice that when I did that, we get in our project browser over here, you see the little plus symbol next to drafting views. If I click the plus, you notice our bookcase is there. Our coffee table we haven't made yet, but that's bold because that's telling you that's the current one that we're working on. So then I'm gonna go back to annotate. I'm gonna go to detail line. We're on medium lines already. So then we're gonna create this coffee table that is 1'6" by 3'10½". Draw the, I'm just trying to read to make sure I don't skip anything. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to my little rectangle. I can draw it out here. So 1'6". Probably what I'm doing is gonna make a little box here. And now for here, I'm gonna put 1'6", so just 1 space 6. And then I'm gonna click on this dimension. And this one I'm gonna put 3, 10 and a half. Okay, I can't do that. Whatever. Let's don't do that. Let's leave the little half. Now let's try this. There we go. So you don't need to put the little dash in there. I'm used to AutoCAD anyway. So there's our coffee table. And then I'll cancel that out of there. Hit the modify to get out of that. So there's that one. And I can go up to view again. I'm gonna look for a drafting view. This one is gonna be desk-1. I'm gonna hit OK. Then I'm gonna go up to annotate. Where are you at? Right there. Detail line. Make sure that's medium, and it is. So our desk is 1 foot 6 by 3 feet. Let's see, 1 foot 6 by 3 feet. Hit the rectangle. I like doing it this way. Let's do it this way. So this is 3 feet. This is 1 foot 6. I can just go 1 space 6. Hit the modify over here to get out of there. So there's our desk. Now notice all these drafting views they're in the same project here, but they're all different drafting views. Night table, 1 foot 6. I'll do one more. I think you have the idea. So I'm gonna go up to, what am I looking for? View, yeah, view. Sometimes I lose my train of thought. Drafting view. This one is gonna be night table. Hit OK. I'm gonna go up to annotate, detail line. This one is just a square, that's 1 foot 6. 1 foot 6. Oh, I should not have done that. Let me get out of this. Let's use the rectangle here. 1 foot 6. 1 foot 6. There we go. Hit the modify. There we are. So anyway, that's kind of how you do it. Just gonna kind of create a new drafting view for each of the symbols. Try to read along with the book to kind of make sure you don't miss anything. And that should help you out a lot. All right, so if you have any questions, don't ask me, ask someone else. No, I'm kidding. If you have any questions, let me know.